Hello everyone, my name is Gilly, and today we are at part two. What? Say that again.
Design to Part Engineering and Manufacturing.
All right, and we are at Design to Part Engineering and Manufacturing Expo here in Orlando, Florida. This is the same place where we went to MegaCon, and I'll have that video for you guys in the link in the description. But anyways, let's get to it. Let's go inside and see what they're all about. As soon as you walk in, they give you these two books here, and I guess it's like all the different manufacturing processes that they do and that they have here from all different kind of businesses. So pretty cool. You get these for free as soon as you register, and it's free to get in. Pretty cool, man. Yeah. So large part blow molding going on here, and that's what they made. Pretty cool. Looks like that's the guy right there. Very cool. Let's get inside of this.
Yeah, that's
Check this out.
But I mean, it's just the functionality of it and just being able to,
All metal.
yeah.
So these are all metal, right?
Yeah.
Every single
Copper.
part right here.
You can print Inconel.
Wow.
So how much work did they have to do on this to get it to slide together? There's some polishing in there.
I don't know.
Like you can see where it's been.
Yeah, just like this.
Polished at the top, right?
Yeah, well, this was sent off to get polished.
But still, that's really excellent.
Yeah.
Wow, man.
Yeah, this is my favorite part. Just to see, like, how smooth.
Yeah, that is cool.
Metal.
It just flows right down.
Yeah, it's smooth.
Wow. Oh yeah.
Other copper stuff. The Inconel is pretty cool too. We didn't bring any. But I mean, this is what it's really for. It's like it's how they all mesh together, mesh really well together with the onyx and everything like that. This is obviously the best mesh together, but
Wow, guys,
that's
this is
onyx.
all
Once
3D printed.
It's tough stuff. Right. But yeah, if anything that you need to pass along to
Oh, 3D
get the
printed.
ball rolling on, like, hey, we need to prove the concept of we need to get
That's
one of these.
wild, guys. Look at that.
Marcos for sure will print out some things for you for reinforced with whatever you want.
Oh yeah, I love those.
It's all metal.
Yeah, he printed that for his buddy.
Look at that, a hook. 3D printed hook.
Apparently UCF has it.
You guys can see, like,
Yeah.
wow.
So just let me know if I can be of help. And yeah. Sounds good.
3D printed dice.
No problem.
That's so cool. It's nice to meet you, man.
Nice to meet you too.
Thank
Take
you.
care. Let me know if I can help, all right?
Yeah. Wow. This is too cool. 3D printed metal. So this has the onyx on it, and then the metal part. Insane. Solid experts. Those are the guys. So here we have a OEM solution showcase. Got some of the parts that they've designed here. It's a training rifle. It's casted?
Yeah, it's a single plastic casting for training purposes. It's what they call a rubber duck.
A rubber duck, okay. This is from First Texas Products here. Looks like they do a lot of circuitry, connectors and capacitor work here. Whole bunch of electronics.
24 thousandths thick aluminum screen with 18 thousandths thick webbing between the pieces.
Wow, impressive. What company is this? United Western Enterprises. That's pretty neat. Company called Apple Rubber. Sealed components and O-rings here. Pretty cool.
Photochemical machining.
Photochemical machining.
So what they do is they start with a piece of metal, and then they mask off parts that are to remain, and then they chemically, like acid, eat away at the remaining metal.
Pretty cool.
Yeah, but they can make all these little tiny patterns and stuff.
Wow, just using chemicals? That's pretty cool.
Outstanding. How are you doing?
Good. Are you looking for something in particular, or?
I was just seeing what kind of coatings you guys do. It looks like you got mostly powder coating and paint.
Yeah, liquid, powder, Cerakote, Carc, which is both liquid.
Sure.
We're not doing any like anodizing or plating of that sort. So it's kind of the two ends of the spectrum on the finishing industry. But, yeah. Pad print, silkscreen, some minor sub-assembly, but...
Do you do like low volume stuff?
We do. We're a job shop of sorts, so we're set up for both high and low volume. For example, we might do 400,000 to 500,000 of these a year, whereas we may do 20 of these.
Sure.
So
They gave me these things, but I want to bring my own.
All right.
Got it.
absolutely.
Well, how do you pronounce your company name?
Craddock Finishing.
Thank you, guys.
Absolutely.
And I'll send an email to both of y'all in the chat.
We handle all types of products, all different sizes, materials. For our smaller pieces, people moving from 3D printing prototyping to the next step, we have our Super Mold program. So if your part fits in a 2-inch diameter, 2-inch tall cylinder, or a 5-inch by 5-inch by 2-inch thick rectangle, we have tools starting at $4,900 flat with a 10-day lead time.
Oh, wow, nice.
And that's a tool steel production grade mold, you own it, and we have a lifetime guarantee.
Wow. That's pretty good.
Yeah.
Trying to take a bite out of proto mold.
The better part about this is not aluminum and it's yours.
Yeah, absolutely.
So we make molds as well as we do the molding.
Right. That's good. That's a key thing with a lot of our customers. They don't like it going overseas.
Especially government work with ITAR and all that, and medical companies. Yeah, no, that's great.
Awesome.
So Hyder Spence with Ash Industries. We're injection molders of all types of thermoplastics, silicone, and metal injection molding.
All right, there you have it, guys. Thank you. All right, here we're at Epilogue Laser from Colorado originally. Very cool. Wow. Wow. Very nice. Fresh off the laser. So can you tell me a little bit about the company?
It's Epilogue Laser.
Okay.
We have two different laser sources. The CO2, which basically can engrave and cut all of those materials from wood, plastic, acrylic.
Okay.
And then here we have the fiber laser source, which is a metal marking. You can see here.
Yeah. Very nice. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Is that your information there?
Yes.
All right, cool. I'll let them know.
Part that comes
Outstanding. How are you doing?
So what we do is we rough and we hold on by a little tab, and then we skim. Get
some of these little fins and stuff in there.
The ability
Wow.
to actually like
So we're in Woodstock,
reverse
Georgia,
and
which is the
actually
Atlanta
weld
area.
this
Okay.
ever so
20
slight
EDM
tab
machines.
to hold it
All right.
on,
Largest
and all the
EDM
operator would have to do
drop shop
afterwards
in
is just
Southeast.
All right.
But we also do like milling,
So-
turning,
so
grinding,
yeah,
heat
it's-
treat. If you
Okay,
need
so you have a
it's the
whole shop
opposite
there.
of welding,
Yes,
but
but we
you know,
specialize.
there's a relation there. obviously.
How big of runs do you do? Like
Similar to wire feed welding.
production,
all the way
prototype
down?
to production.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Wow. Can you do that one more time?
Makes me wish I was like
Wow.
50 years younger.
That's very cool.
Oh, we do lapping, grinding, single point diamond turning. We do optical polishing for the aerospace industry. We do refurbishment parts for, defense and aerospace.
Wow.
So a little bit of everything. There's pretty much nothing we won't try. Let's put it that way.
Okay, and what's your website?
www.surfacefinishes.com.
Thank you, buddy. Appreciate it.
And we can't do that easily. They're a big part. And then they send them to us and we finish them up. Number one, right? Because again, it's got to be 80 million when it's done.
Called Pen Engineering, but PEM nuts and stuff. This is like when you have sheet metal.
Okay.
And you need to put a fastener into sheet metal where you otherwise wouldn't have enough space,
Yeah.
enough thickness. You can crimp in these tiny fastener nuts.
They're pressed in with the press. So it clenches.
So you put it in there and it spreads out to clench
What
into the
happens
metal,
when
like he's
they
saying.
press it in with the
Very
machine,
cool.
it forces the material out and it goes into the grooves. It kind of makes a bond because it can.
In this process, does it distort the metal? Whenever
Yes, it does distort the metal. But the metal flush. The metal is treated kind of like water. When it presses it in, it flows out and it flows in. Okay, see these different ones?
Yeah, I agree. This is a product line of various little
Glands. Can't get my fingers on it. See the knurling involved?
Okay.
So that presses in, that holds it in place.
Very nice. Very nice. What's your website?
AFI.cc.
You have it, guys, right there.
AFI Assembly Fasteners Inc. Southco is a company they distribute
Oh, okay.
materials for.
What do they do here?
These are pop rivets. So they're a rivet that can be installed from just one side of the material.
Mm-hmm.
So you stack up your two layers of sheet metal, drill a hole, and then from the outside, you push this in, and a mandrel tool will pull the center shaft through, which pulls the head of the nail through the body of the rivet, expanding the backside until it breaks off. And so you're left with a rivet head on the inside of the material, one on the outside of the material, but you didn't have to put any tools on the inside in order to install it.
Wow. So these are like the new version of what a rivet would be today, huh?
Yeah, like an old school rivet. You'd see them building a building or something from both sides.
We have the whole.
They're common in like aircraft and.
Yeah.
Okay, so that card will.
Oh yeah, this is all of it. South goes a big line for us. If you have to touch it to get into it, they've got a solution to do that.
I need it.
You got a Yeti cooler, they've got that.
Okay. I'm interested in stuff like this.
Yeah.
Flush or hidden.
Yep.
Stuff like this.
All kinds of
And this is a
latches,
small sample of it.
latches, handles,
I got you.
knobs, hinges.
Yeah, we're all, this is one booth. Oh, okay. Yeah. Thank you.
Okay.
Wow. That's great.
No, we five 5,000.
Okay.
Patterns right now.
Cool.
Yeah, that's in our range.
Can you tell me the company name and what you guys do?
We're Harmony Castings and we're an aluminum foundry. But that just means more impressions.
And this is some of
we
the
can create more
things that you guys make here?
Yep. So we subcontract machining and paint, but then we'll cast it in-house. Subcontract all the finishing that you're looking for.
So this surface finish that you get,
like a finished part.
Thank you, man. Thank you.
Do you do just the raw castings as well? Or does it always include the secondary?
We can also just do raw. We have partner shops that we work for.
Cool.
And this is we can do zero draft. We can do vertical walls. Casting all that for you. It's like all plug and play.
And you make Maxwell House?
So all you gotta do is pick out the box.
Do you guys mostly work on circuit boards and things like that?
Yeah, that's kind of our bailiwick. Yeah.
Cool.
Electronic assembly.
Cool.
Yep.
What kind of volumes do you do? Like,
As low as 50, as high as 10,000 at
Okay.
a time. Yeah, it just kind of depends.
cool. Can I take one of your
Sure.
packets here? Thank you. Yes.
Would it be okay if I get you on camera? Is that okay?
Are you sending us to America's Most Wanted?
I'm sending you to YouTube. That's what I'll be sending you to. Is that cool?
I'm sorry.
That's okay.
You can.
That's all right. You mind if I grab one of these? Thank you, guys. Very nice stuff you have here. That's the company right there. What's your specialty?
Specialty is hydroforming and deep draw.
Okay.
We take metal sheets and we form them seamlessly. There's no welding or bending.
Okay, thank you.
And 113 years old, family-owned business, 4th generation.
Wow, beautiful. Amazing. Hey, what's your website?
Amalco. It's AMALCO.com.
Thank you, buddy.
Okay.
Thank you so much. Wow. It's nice when you see businesses go for hundreds of years like that. You know that they're doing something right.
Oh yeah, everything. And painting also.
What's the name of your company?
Marking Systems Incorporated.
And what do you guys do here?
We have two sides. We actually have Marking Systems Incorporated and Marking Systems Leica. For the MSI, Marking Systems Incorporated, we do durable product labels.
Okay.
For the MSDC side, we do gaskets, insulators, bonding, fastening, so
Nice.
vibration.
And these are the products that you guys have here?
Yes, sir.
All right, let's check them out. Wow.
So everything's based at Dallas. We do it American made. So do you have any questions regarding the polycarbonate, polyesters, the vinyls? So we do subsurface print on our screen printing side.
Yep.
And on our digital side, we're able to add any laminate to have a different finish. For example, this one's more of a gloss.
Yeah.
And this one's kind of more of a, more of a
Yeah.
kind of texture, more of a matte. So
Wow.
it's the same material, but once you add the laminate, it gives it a different finish.
Wow.
Usually for digital, we add a UV laminate to make it outdoor resistant or UV resistant. Sorry about
Yeah,
that.
UV resistant. Yeah. Wow, they look good. They look good.
Yeah, we take pride in our quality. That's one thing that we take pride in.
Thank you. I appreciate that. And your website is
Marking Systems Incorporated.
markingsystems.com. All right.
Injection molded plastic housings for equipment. This is like a military, some sort of military system.
Yeah.
Where you'd have like a battery housing
Okay.
as well as the body of the product.
Yeah.
They can put in metal fastener inserts.
Okay.
So that it'll be stronger when they put screws and things into it. These plastic as well.
And these are all injected molding right here?
Yeah, all injection molded plastic. So they start with a hollow mold and then they just squeeze in high pressure, high temperature plastic.
What company is this? KPI? KPI. Very cool.
Designed that.
You did.
You designed what? That one?
Yeah, that's a charging handle for a M&M Mutant rifle.
Oh yeah.
I designed this part like 10 years ago.
That's so cool.
Very cool.
Because we probably worked with you on the original design, because I think it changed after the first iteration, because there was some issue with the, I forget, something was breaking on the original. It was real just, I guess, the delicate design with the way the little hook had to go in there, and then I think they changed the design a little bit. I don't know, is that an original in there?
Yeah, this is the original one.
Which one?
It didn't really have, it didn't break. It was just expensive to make.
It was expensive, yeah. And it was just fragile. I think whoever was installed it had to be pretty careful.
Yeah.
Some people are not careful.
What's your name and your company and what do you guys do?
Yeah. So Scott Arnold. The name it's Insulfab Plastics. We specialize in CNC machining and stamping of plastic and composite materials.
Thank you, man. And your website?
Insulfab.com.
Okay, thank you so much. Thank you. Oh, wow. That's pretty cool.
Aluminum and zinc die casting. So it's like injection molding for metal.
Okay.
They'll make a mold of that and then press in liquid metal. Made some stuff like this that was
We could go anywhere from just doing
a specialty keg tap.
Yeah,
for,
keg tap.
for beer kegs with a thread on it like this. So you'd screw it in and then it would give you the fittings for your
very cool
beer tubing. I don't know.
So you know what that actually is used for, that one there?
I don't know what that one's for.
Yeah, so it's actually for a window shade, a power window shade that rolls up and rolls down, and that pulls up the string that will raise and lower the blind. Yeah.
Contacts to work with.
These things right here, you can pull the tee from your golf ball from the ground and open up a beer. Pretty cool. Looks like the company is called Cameron Manufacturing Design. They have a station in Orlando and in New York. Wow, look at that train. Look at the train there. Wow.
Most expensive toy train.
Yeah. World's most expensive toy train. Laser cut and stainless. Wow. That is very nice. Oh, do you guys have a website?
We do. Yeah, it's I think it's CameronManufacturing.com.
All right, thank you. Thank you, buddy.
And there's a brochure over there.
Okay. Some really nice work you guys do here.
just to turn it on. You're like, holy crap!
that.
Because I pulled 1,500 horsepower out of this thing. So like, boom. Yeah.
Check out this laser cut Jeep. Oh man, look at that. That is so cool, guys. Even on they got like this etching on the top there too. Very cool, man. Very cool work these guys do at Cameron. Make sure you check out their website. Okay.
That's how they make like rings and stuff.
So it's investment casting, okay.
You start off with a wax pattern, then they dip it in a ceramic slurry to coat it.
Uh-huh.
Then they melt out the wax, and you're left with the cavity of the mold.
Yeah, if my TV worked, it'd be on. You could see it.
And then
Get the dang thing working.
And then you're left with the cavity of the mold in that ceramic slurry that's hardened. And then they pour in the metal, and so you get an exact casting. They can cast real fine details like these threads.
Wow.
That's how they make something like jewelry or rings and stuff too.
What's your website name?
ThompsonInvestmentCasting.com.
All right, thank you guys. Make sure you go check them out. Perfect. For my YouTube channel.
Thank you, man.
Yeah, absolutely. You're getting very, very accurate. So 100%. That's exactly what it's for. Is to get the highly accurate.
So that little quick hanger code in this corner will give you all that information too.
Thank you, buddy. Nice work. So guys, look at this. Is 3D printed. I can't believe it.
SLS part.
It's insane.
Because you know how that stuff works. Teams like to make sure the build tray is like.
What machine prints that again, Guido?
It's probably one of the object machines, if I had to guess.
An object machine?
Stratasys makes them.
Okay. Wow.
Look at
what we got here.
Tiny components here. Look at the tip on that guy.
Wow.
These are like your airbrush needles or some sort of.
Some type of spray.
Some sort of spray nozzle.
Oh, these are super small. Wow. Very nice.
Yeah, we're a contract manufacturer. We do machining and sheet metal.
Okay.
And we do all the secondaries in-house, so all the painting, the plating, hardware insertion, silk screening. It's all done.
What kind of volumes do you guys do?
We could do about a 250 piece to 500 piece lot several times a year. So, and The contracts often have like a pull on them of certain quantities.
Yeah, okay.
Where can we find you on our website?
We are at www.appiusa.com.
Thank you so much.
Do you do the silk screening in-house too?
All the silk screen, all the hardware insertion.
I know you said all the
silk
secondary
screening.
processes.
Yeah,
so I was
all
just
the secondaries.
making
so
sure.
Lots of laser engraving, you name it.
Okay, thank you. This would be a fun thing to design a 3D print for, and then push filament into the
Oh yeah.
into the pieces.
That is pretty cool. All right, well guys, my phone's gonna die pretty soon. We're probably like halfway through that display, all the displays and stuff like that. But yeah guys, this is super fun. So a lot of these people that you see here are just business owners looking for other manufacturers to help them manufacture their products to get them out faster, or like anything that you would need. So a lot of businesses are just talking to each other and things like that. So very cool. So if there's any prototyping needs that you guys want, I'm gonna have a lot of the information that you guys would need there. Look at this robot arm right there, picking stuff up for you. Pretty cool, right guys? Well guys, I do appreciate you guys watching. I'm gonna finish. I'm gonna see if I can get some pictures and try to make this video a little bit longer and more informative for you guys. But yeah, my phone's about to die. I will see you in the next one. Have a nice day.